If you could escape to paradise right now, where would you go? For me, it's the Seychelles. Let me take you on a 2-minute journey to one of the most stunning places on earth. Seychelles is a tiny collection of islands floating in the Indian Ocean, about 1,000 miles from anywhere else. Think white sand beaches, turquoise waters and granite boulders that look like something from another planet. This country is made up of 115 islands. Yes, you heard that right, 115. Each one feels like its own private island. Picture yourself hopping from Mahi, the main island, to Ladik, where bicycles outnumber cars, and Vaslin, home to palm trees you won't find anywhere else in the world. But Seychelles isn't just about beaches. You can hike through lush jungles, spot giant tortoises just chilling on the sand, or even dive into crystal clear water to meet sea turtles and colorful fish. It's a place where nature is always showing off. The people? Super friendly. The food? Imagine fresh seafood mixed with Indian, French and African flavors. And the sunsets? They look like someone turned up the saturation in real life. The best part? Seychelles is all about protecting its beauty. Nearly half the land is set aside as nature reserves and marine parks. It's a country that knows paradise is precious. So if you're dreaming of a tropical escape, maybe it's time to put Seychelles on your bucket list. 2 minutes can't do it justice, but I hope this gave you a taste of what makes it so magical. Now who's ready to book a ticket?